In here?
Yep.
Okay. Pelvis feels off too. Chin up. Take a deep breath. Let it out. Nice. Got it, good. Did you feel that?
Yes, a lot.
Perfect. Face down. Let it out. Oh yeah, nice stuff.
Oh yeah.
Okay, the pelvis is off here too. On your side facing me, please. Put your head like that. All right, take a deep breath. Let it all out. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Let it out. Good stuff.
Wow.
Okay. Good. Not too bad, but a little bit off right here. That's it. All right, sit up, see how that feels. Let me know how that feels right now.
Yeah, it feels amazing.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
All right, we'll see you next week.
Thank you.